Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Let us begin. I want the third page of the document to be page number 1. Now go to third page, put the cursor here, go to layout and breaks, select next page, go to insert, from headers and footer, click on page break. Here you can choose the location of your page number. I will go for bottom and to be in the center. Now I'll select link to previous, go to page number, format page number, start at, I want to be page number 1, and then OK. Now page 3 changes into page number 1. Go to up, and remove this. Now page 1 and page 2 is being removed. It started from the third page. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.